Hello Data Platform Geeks, this is Warner Chaves, Microsoft Data Platform MVP Solutions Architect at Pythian and former and current speaker for the Data Platform Summit. The Data Platform Summit is coming back this year, DPS 2022, around the clock, and now also multi-language. I want to invite everybody to submit a session or a pre-con for DPS. You might be thinking, why should I submit a session for this conference? No, the question is, why wouldn't you submit a session for DPS? International audience, multiple language choice, tons of different technical tracks all over the data space. This is a great virtual event. The DPS volunteers, they really put a lot of effort and thought into making this very accessible, universal community conference. And now it's up to you to set up a submission and get your name in the hat, and I'll see you later this year when you're speaking at DPS 2022.